Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Ford Expedition Max vs GMC Yukon XL full comparison. Follow along as I break down seating, cargo, towing, fuel economy, technology, safety, and real-world value so you can choose confidently. I'll highlight differences in legroom, cargo strategies, towing ratings, engine options, and common ownership costs, then summarize who benefits most from each model based on priorities like family hauling, towing, or luxury preference. Let's talk performance and towing in simple terms so you know what to expect on trips and work days. I compare engine options, horsepower, torque, and how those numbers translate to towing confidence and real-world drivability. We'll cover transmission behavior, braking support while towing, trailer sway control, and recommended tow packages. By the end, you'll understand which setup gives smoother towing, better fuel trade-offs, and easier long-distance travel with heavy loads. Quick pause for an ad and a friendly ask. If you find this comparison helpful, please subscribe and like the video to help others discover it. Quick recommendation: I use a set of leak-proof meal prep containers that save time on road trips and cargo days. Check the description for the link and any deals. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Inside matters as much as engines, so I walk through seating comfort, cargo capacity, and daily usability for families and haulers. We'll compare legroom, third-row access, fold-flat cargo tricks, and how easy it is to load gear every day. I also demo infotainment responsiveness, smartphone integration, driver assists, and storage solutions so you can picture real life with either SUV. This helps you weigh comfort versus luxury and utility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.